Greetings, fellow gardeners. Here we are again. Joe's back on island. He's got work to do on the fruit farm. And Joe brought me something special. This is Pouteria, ballata, or torta.
Right.
Got it. Yeah, as an argument. We're not sure. And Joe, you repeat, this is an Abiu, but it's
Abiurana.
Abiurana.
Yes.
Yeah, he told me before, but it ran out of my head. This is a new one to me. I guess it's kind of an upland variety of the Abiu?
Yeah, that's what they say. It comes from higher elevations than Abiu.
Ooh, check that out.
This was grown down here by the Hamakua coast, fairly low elevation, so it does okay in the tropics.
And you're saying that even Ken Love, our local expert, is in a discussion with people as to whether this is ballata or
Torta. Yeah,
torta.
there's an argument over that one.
Okay. Well, that's cool. They can argue all they want. Question is, how's it taste? Does it grow here? And since it's called an Upland Abiu, maybe it grows in California or Florida or someplace too, huh? So, we'll find out. Anyway, I've never had one of these. This is a first time experience, and so there's no faking on this. If I put this in my mouth and I hate it, I hate it. There's a little brown spot near the seed. That's normal. Okay, yeah, it does look, it looks a lot like an Abiu on the inside. Here, let's see.
They usually bleed a lot of latex around the skin. This one's not too bad.
Well, it's kind of typical here of the fact that anytime there's a dent, a bounce, a bird peck, or anything, even when you pull them hard, the Abiu plant tends to produce kind of these little brown spots as some of the latex comes loose in there. Nothing looks too strange here. Everything looks pretty much to me like a small Abiu. Huh?
Yep.
Well, here's your half. Here's your spoon. Here we go, folks. Rock and roll. Now, just like the Abiu, we want to stay away from the hide.
Yep. Very sweet.
Wow. All right. Similar to Abiu, but it's a little different. Oh yeah. Ellen's over here. Here.
I was going to say the same one because
No, you go ahead. Have fun.
It tastes different.
Probably not.
Well, this one could be fermented.
It's not.
I think it has a nicer flavor than a regular Abiu.
Yeah.
It's got something extra.
A little more character was the word I was going to use. Okay,
Yeah.
so this, it really does. It tastes like an Abiu. What character?
It's firmer.
You know what? It
More
immediately
flavorless.
took me back to, which is kind of random, but when I was a kid and I ate a lot of breakfast cereal, the milk at the bottom of the bowl after you ate a sugary cereal, it's like a very sweet milk.
Yeah, I can go with that. Yeah, it's, let's see, the difference between the Abiu. Okay, the flesh is a little more solid. It's not quite as gelatinous as most Abius I've had. And you were talking about latex, but actually I'm not seeing as much latex.
These are really good. The ones I've had before were very latex.
Okay, so this is not very much latex in here at all.
Yeah.
Let's see. Nope, I'm not kissing. My lips aren't sticking. So this works here.
Yeah.
All right.
Good. We got a good one.
Yeah. This is not bad at all.
It's very good. Yeah.
Yeah. Very good fruit. Very good fruit. If you like Abius, you're going to like the Abiurana.
Abiurana. Yeah.
Abiurana.
I think if we could just get these a little bigger, like the Abius you see at the market, they'd be a slightly superior fruit. That's what I'm planning on, getting as many seeds of this as I can going and plant it out, maybe a few hundred or something, real close, and see if we can find one that's bigger, maybe lower latex.
Oh, they always provide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plant enough seeds.
If you plant enough seeds, sooner or later, nature provides something interesting.
Yeah. That one. What do you think, Ellen?
It's good. I like it. Yeah, I definitely. There's more character, like you said, more flavor.
Okay, you all hear that? Ellen's off camera here. She don't want to get in the picture, but she thinks it's good. So,
Yeah.
kind of picky about
Yes.
fruit sometimes. So,
There's some question of whether it would survive in Northern California because it is more of a highland fruit. Similar to the way green sapote, which is a highland version of mamey sapote, does fairly well in Northern California. There's, in theory, this might be the same related to Abiu. So I'm going to try and bring some seeds back to California and see if people can grow them and find out. Maybe in 10 years we'll have the answer.
he'll know. He'll know. I won't. I'm not going back to California. But yeah, Joe will be able to try that out, and we'll find out how well it works. I'm going to plant them here, and we'll grow out some trees. And so it's going to take me a little while, but I will increase this seed. And maybe if Joe finds a connection, I might even be able to provide a little bit of seed this year. We'll see, depending on, whether somebody else out there's got a lot of this fruit, because this is not common even here.
No.
That's the first I've heard of it. Oh, no, wrong. First I've seen of it on the island. I've been asked about it before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, people have asked me about the Upland Abiu.
And
Well-
the flavor's more complex.
Yep, a little bit more complex flavor, and so even with the smaller size, I give it a thumbs up, definitely. Easily an 8.5, just because we already know we like Abius here, but this one, a little more complex, a little bit more dense. Yeah, I don't know, I guess Joe's description of the milk in the bottom of his cereal bowl as a kid is as good a taste comparison as any. It's very sweet, very delicious. It's a little less vanilla-like than the regular Abiu, which to me reminds me of like a really ripe Japanese persimmon with, like a ripe fuyu with vanilla in it. This is, a little bit more sapote-like almost, because the consistency is a little denser,
A little denser, yeah.
Yeah. Well, cool. There it is, a new one for all of us. Joe's the only guy here who's ever had that fruit before, so we're all new. Aloha, happy gardening, and y'all hang loose.